Hello everyone, here is third episode of 1 Minute Dental Series. This 1 Minute Dental Series is dedicated to finish line control. At the very beginning I would like to mention that I will be using burr with a rounded tip. And to use this burr in a really proper way, you have to control half of this burr, half of this tip that will let you get chamfer that is used to be universal finish line for metal-free ceramic restorations. To be able to see half tip of the burr, there are two positions of patient's head. First position is when you ask your patient to move chin up. When you have your patients with chin up, you will be able to see half tip of the burr and to perform really smooth and clear finish line with no undercut, with ideal chamfer design. Another angle of patient's head is when you ask your patient to turn head left or right. So with this position you also can see half tip of the burr and to control the process of preparation in most precise way. Dear friends, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and to switch on notifications by using this bell. There will be a lot of new and useful information and we don't want you to miss something really interesting.